Yeah, hello everyone. We have Dr. Swati More. She is representing MIT ADT University, and she's is representing the training and placement section of the university. We welcome you, Dr. Swati More, in today's event.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here.
Would like to understand, ma'am, the initiatives taken under your leadership into the training and placements section.
So, as you know, that is the most critical thing for any university to have the best placements because that's a selling point for admission for every university. So, what we are doing, being a private university, we have a lot of autonomy in collaborating with the industry because we offer 6 months internship, we give live project. Our university's unique feature is we have a project based learning. So, every student does a mini project when they are in second year. So it's 2 projects in second year, 2 projects in third year. So if you calculate, by the time they come in the final year, they have as good as 2 years experience. So that's a unique selling point for a university, and we believe in a lot of collaboration with the industry. We go back, we do reverse engineering, we understand the industry needs, we train our students in terms of workshops, seminars. In fact, we have done tie-up with companies like Apple, AWS for certifications. So right now, as I said during my talk also, now the industry is looking for skill-based hiring. So if the student don't have any specific skill, they'll not hire them for the role. So what we are promoting is we are getting them certified in different domains. We are highlighting them into the resume, and once the companies are sharing the requirement with us, we are kind of selling them. These are the number of students who are matching their domain with your requirement. So that becomes easier for both the industry as well as us to have a good number of selection. Right. So this is something we do.
What are the initiatives you have taken for the alumni engagement program?
So, as you know, alumni are the backbones of any university. It's time for them to give back, right? And alumni, they understand the pain. Like when they were a student of a university, what all challenges they've gone through, and what made them come to a certain age or certain position where they can contribute back to the society. So, alumni play a very important role. We host. Big level alumni meets across India. Like we go to different cities, we check which all cities have our alumni and which all position they're working. We try to capitalize on their designations for sure. And in terms of MOU, they have contributed back in terms of getting their industry associated to us. And they're contributing in terms of student engagement, in terms of guest lectures, webinars, seminars, and plus some of the alumni have joined us as a mentor, which they are handholding our student, helping our student to get more employable.
So, what do you feel, ma'am? What is the real gap in the industry and academia when it comes to the placement part of it? Are students getting that kind of exposure in their academic session for the corporate sector or any industrial visit? Does it helps for them to crack any interview during their placements?
Certainly, I mean, this gap we've been talking from years. There is a gap. Absolutely, there is a gap, and it will take years to minimize that gap because we are still in a conventional, traditional way of delivering degrees in India. But private universities have taken one step wherein they are making student available for internship projects, live case studies have been given to the student, and industrial visit definitely give a lot of importance to student because they personally see what company is doing, how is the culture, what all things that company is working on. So that does definitely play important role.
In forums like this, ma'am, where we see the academicians from KG to PG, and then we have corporate players, even some government players, how does it help as a society at large?
See, your whole agenda of bringing the academics, the societal government people, and the industry people at the same platform, we can minimize the gap by talking to each other, making resources available for each other, and this is going to solve a societal big issues like making right resources available for each other.
I'm very glad to share that, ma'am. Ardako Media Group, it's a media company, and we have been there in the industry since last 3 years. This is the third anniversary this year. Any message would you like to give to Ardako Media Group?
You have been doing a fantastic job. As I said, bringing all the stakeholders at one platform is a big task, and you guys are doing it effortlessly. And I wish you all the best. Keep doing such kind of events so that you will solve a lot of societal issues.
Thank you so much. Lovely speaking to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for witnessing this event and being a part of the forum.
Thank you.